Hello everyone, it's me again, Mom Shawie. So the second package or the second content of the package is this one. So the content of this package is an orchestra. Charot! Orchestra na! So this is an orchestra. What do you call that? Orchestra stand? Okay, so even I'm not a singer, even I'm not a performer, and my pamangkin as well, my niece, my niece. My niece will be using this. I have lots of tripods. I have lots of tripods. Guys, another tripod. Okay, guys. And the panel board. And the panel board of judges. The panel board of judges is here. It's so... Ta-da! Okay, orchestra stand. So if ever, this one. I don't know how to install this one, but it's an orchestra stand. What do you call that to do? It's an orchestra stand. It's an orchestra.
Late.
Orchestral stand. So sorry if I cannot install it properly because I have, as what I've said, I am not a singer and rather a performer. But I just bought this one for a person whom I think needed this. So second time that I'll be sharing to others. And I'm thankful for the blessing I've received. So I think it should be here. Or here. I think it's here. Nandiyan. Here.